Hey everybody, hi. I'm so happy you are here because I am back with another Mott Bow sponsored video. Super excited. Before I get into it, I'm Laura. If you're new, I have sleepy sidekicks who are both chosen to be off camera right now. The tan puppy dog is Zena, Wyatt is the white puppy dog. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe so I can keep on creating content for you. Every subscribe helps me continue to bring you new content. All right. So you'll remember last month I shared some of the most amazing Mott Bow basics, right? They are basics, they're everyday things that you're gonna wanna grab for as we get into the colder season, from denim to sweaters to your long sleeve tees. So I shared last time the crew necks, which I absolutely love. They come in several different colors. They fit like a dream. They have no pockets. You can wear them for dress or for casual. So you can throw them underneath a blazer and head off to work. They are super amazing. And I had mentioned some other things that they had, like the cashmere sweater in navy. So I couldn't wait to share that with you, as well as some of the V-neck tees, because I showed you the crew neck tees last time, and a couple other pair of their denim, which I think you should be aware about, in case you'd like to add them to your closet. I do love Mott Bow. I think they do an amazing job. Plus, of course, I have a discount code for you, so stay tuned. If you haven't heard of Mott Bow, they are all about creating the best quality, I should say, the very best quality basics that will last the test of time and the ones you will want to continuously grab. Their denim is made like premium denim, so think the $250 and above denim, but they keep their price point around half of that. $120 is their normal price for their denim, and they are amazing. So we'll start with my first outfit. We're also going to style some of these because I really do believe that whenever you are stuck and not sure what to wear, a t-shirt and jeans is a great place to start, and you can, the world's the limit after that. You can dress it up depending on your shoes, your accessories, and your jacket, and you're ready to go. First up, all right, so I have on, I want to get, these are the Mom Charlton light blue jean, and then I paired it with their V-neck cashmere in navy blue. So I had showed you the black and the cream last time, so I had to show you the navy blue this time. This one is such a pretty color. It's a V-neck. It feels so soft on. I did a little front tuck, but just so you can see what it looks like, this is it. And then I paired it with a pair of denim that is a little bit of distressing, which I haven't been showing you as of late from Mott Bow. They do have very few pair that have a little bit of distressing. So these are meant to feel a little bit more relaxed and broken in, and they have a little bit of distressing, but no holes. So these pieces are amazing. I'm going to tell you about them, and then we're going to style them. How about that? So the Mom Charlton jean comes in sizes waist 24 to 32 and inseam of 28, which is perfect for me because 28 is my inseam. But you can order based on waist and inseam. These are $119. They come in two colors, which is the light blue and the dark blue, based on whichever color you prefer. These also come in a slim boyfriend if you prefer. I chose the mom jean to show you because I showed you some slim boyfriend in my last video. And I'll link that up above in case you would like to check that video out as well. And then for the sweater, which is just the best. I love these sweaters. They just, they're perfect for whether you need to go into the office, you're staying home, work from home, weekend, packing. Amazing. This is the cashmere oversized V-neck willow sweater. It is $169. It comes in three colors, the cream, the black, and this navy. Sizes extra small to extra large. And this provides a lightweight year-round feel. It's a sweater feel that is soft and provides pill resistance. It's knit from the highest quality grade A cashmere yarn from Inner Mongolia. It is 100% cashmere. So it's slightly oversized for a more relaxed fit, but you can see it's not boxy. I have on the extra small and it fits me perfect. I don't feel like it's sloppy. And it's hand washed cold with gentle detergent and lay flat to dry. So you don't need to worry about taking this to the dry cleaner. I did want to tell you a little bit about the jeans, which I didn't do. So this one is interesting because it says a pair of jeans that repels bacteria. Yes, indeed. You could probably wear these and say they serve medicinal purposes. Made from hemp, this high quality denim is naturally antibacterial and antifungal. How about that? But that's not it. It says our sustainable fabric is also great for the ecosystem as it replenishes soil and absorbs carbon dioxide. At the same time, it actually protects the Earth's natural resources as it requires extremely low water usage and can be rain fed. So it says, who said fashion sense and ecological responsibility couldn't go hand in hand? So I love that. I wanted to make sure I shared. They have 21% elasticity. They're 80% cotton, 13% hemp, 6% post-consumer recycled cotton, and 1% elastane. They are considered a high rise. They're hitting me right at my belly button. They have an 11.5-inch leg opening, and they are machine washed cold water, inside out, tumble dry. You can choose to hang dry them as well. All right, so let's style these pieces and have a little bit of fun. I decided to go with a theme of metallics and animal print. So that's what we're gonna stick to as we style these few pieces I have for you. So I thought with this one, would be in the navy, I would go with a cute little silver belt and silver shoes. And then your jacket, you could do whatever you want. But considering how amazing this sweater is, I like to let it stand on its own. So I love this silver belt, and then I have these amazing Vince Camuto shoes in this silver that I love. So I think this just adds some amazing ba-ba-boom or blingy to this outfit, just by what shoes and belt that you wear with it. And then you could really glam it up even more with jewelry to really make a statement. So this belt is just a simple silver flat, like matte flat, because I went with the shinier shoes. And I will tell you that all of their jeans really do look nice cuffed as well. So as you get it back into the warmer weather, which I always look forward to, you can cuff these and make them crop jeans. So there's always that. Let me know what you think of the first outfit and we'll do another one. Okay, so I've switched out of the cashmere and onto their V-neck tees, which I love. But remember, the cashmere also comes in cream. So this is the V-neck. It also comes in black, and this one is the crew neck. So like I said, I'll link to my other video in case you would like to see these pieces on as well. They're all amazing, and you will want to snuggle up in them for all the events you have coming up. So the tees, yes, I love a good V-neck tee, but as I mentioned, they have these all in crew necks as well, based on whatever your preference is, and maybe you like both. I just tried this on so you can see it before I style it. So it comes to about hip length. I have on the extra small. They come in several colors. This one is this really nice burgundy. I love that there are no pockets. You know, there's nothing here that would prevent you from just throwing a blazer on over top of this and dressing it up. Okay, kept the same jeans on. Now we're gonna have some fun with leopard print. So let's do that. If you just quickly, we're gonna switch metallic tones too. And I'm gonna go for a gold belt this time. And leopard shoes. How fun is this outfit? Yep, this one is so much fun. I really like this. I think I'm trying to hurt myself here. There we go. Fun, right? So easy to style. And then you can grab your favorite jacket. I have a corduroy one here. I think would be fun to wear with this to finish off your look. in your set. What do you think? An awesome outfit set for whatever your day brings. And most of us already have some sort of animal print shoe in our wardrobe, as well as a camel colored jacket. So this is something you can so easily replicate from your own closet, which is why I did this. All right, so let me tell you about the Marcy tee, which you are going to want in your closet. The Marcy tees are $45 regular price. They come in 4 colors, which is gray, black, this burgundy, and white. They're in sizes extra small to extra large. It's a silky, soft fitted tee, lightweight and pre-shrunk, so you won't have to worry about it shrinking after you get it. It's 50% Pima cotton and 50% modal. It's tagless. You don't have to worry about any of those tags, which I so very much appreciate it. So it's itch-free wear. And it's machine wash cold, tumble dry low. What's not to love? Let me know what you think of this one. All right, so for my last outfit, I decided to go black on black because it is the easiest way to create a new outfit, and you have so many possibilities when you have a black tee and black jeans. These black jeans are the Mom Allen. I love these, paired back to the Marcy V-neck, just like the burgundy one I shared with you. These Mom Allens are a little looser fit than the Charlton jean that I shared with you previously. They're high waist, hitting me again right at my belly button. They hit right at the top of my foot because, once again, I would have bought by my waist and inseam size. They feel so good on. These have no distressing, and they're in this washed black. These also come in a gray. So you guys can see these. They're so nice, great fit. And these are kind you can wear all day for travel. I tend to pick my Mott Bow whenever I have a long day of traveling. For this one, we're going to have some fun for a great in-office look, but with a little bit of bling. I tend to like to bling things up once in a while. So we're going to use this really cool belt with a little bit of sparkle to go with it for starters. And we're going to add just black shoes. Okay. So love this. I love the little bit of sparkle. How fun is that, right? I just put on black shoes. So right now everything is just looking at the belt. And then, because I'm going to go into the office, I'm just going to add a blazer. And how about a blue one? This one I just got, so I think the tag is still on it. But I love this color, as well as just putting it over the black and black on black. It just looks so, so nice. What do you think? But you could swap this for any color. Pink, emerald, maroon. It would look good with just about any color blazer. How pretty, right? What do you think about this one? And you can easily take this, swap it back to the gold belt, the animal print shoes, and the other jacket, which I'll swap for you real quick, just so you can see what that one looks like, and we'll close out. All right, so the same gray t-shirt and jeans, didn't take those off, still exactly the same. Swapped out my belt, the shoes, and the jacket from the very first outfit. And how awesome is this look? So you can recreate it with so many different pieces whenever you have these elevated basics in your wardrobe. It's so easy to create multiple outfits using these pieces, and they look different. So this looks completely different than it did when I had it paired back to these jeans and this top. You could also pair this back to the navy as well with the blue. Animal print looks really nice with navy. And that's everything. Let me quickly tell you about the Mom Allen jean so that you know about that one. I did tell you already it comes in this awesome black, but it also comes in gray. $119 is the price. And it comes in sizes 24 to 32 waist. And this one also came in a 28-inch inseam. So this one is a medium weight jean. It has 21% elasticity and comfort stretch, 94% cotton, 5% polyester, 1% elastane. It is a high rise, so it's a 10.25 inch front rise. It's considered a slim fit, hugs the waist and hips but loose through the leg, which I agree, but it feels so nice and doesn't feel tight. 11.5 inch leg opening, and again, machine wash cold, tumble dry low. So if you are wanting to get any of these items, use my code Laura10 and you'll get 10% off site-wide any of their pieces. And I'll list everything I shared with you today from Mott Bow down below in case you would like to check any of those pieces out for yourself. So tell me what your favorite basics are. Tell me how you like to style a t-shirt and jeans. And so give me some new ideas. I love it when we share. And please hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.